Hey, what's going on YouTube? I'm D, and you're watching my Hummer Chronicles episode 5. In this video here, we're gonna get into installing the side marker lights. You don't know what that is? That's these lights right here. On a Hummer, I got 4 of them all the way around on this H2. So we're gonna get into that install. If you're interested in this video and you wanna know how to install them, I think you should stay tuned. Welcome back. Now we're gonna get into this very easy video. It's simple because it's only 4 of them. On the H2, you got 4 side marker lights around it. The only hard part about it is getting to those areas to change out the parts. Now, if you're interested in the part that I ordered, which is the smoke gray side marker lights, I'll leave the link down below. I got 4 of them in here, and they come individual, and they come like this. So with changing the part out, it's simple. It's plug and play. Just got to get to it. We're going to go ahead and go around the vehicle. We're going to do one side. We're going to show you the after effect of what it looks like, and we're going to show you with the lights on so you can understand that you can still see your lights under this black smoke gray. Here's the area where we're going to go into. So we have this on the outside. We got 2 screws right here. We're going to remove those 2 screws, and then we're just gonna pull it out, and then we're gonna plug and play. Simple as that. I'm gonna go ahead and set this one up here. We'll go to the rear. The rear has the same insert. To remove it, you're gonna do the 2 screws here. Remove it, plug and play, and then we got us a different look. Looks like we got a regular Phillips head screwdriver, so use the tools, the proper tools, be an easier task. We reached the end of the video. Now look, in the beginning I told y'all this was gonna be easy. It don't get no easier than this. All 4 side marker lights, plug and play. Simple. Now if you got the right tools, you can complete any job. If you wanna have a successful finish, me myself, I like to follow 2 rules. Rule number 1, follow the instructions. Rule number 2, don't forget rule number 1. It's easy. Now, if you got any more comments you'd like to add, and tell me more about what I should do next. You know, if you got more comments you want to ask about this install, Leave me a comment and I'll get back to you as soon as possible. If you haven't subscribed though, that button down there is free. If you have subscribed, thank you. I appreciate the support and I'll catch y'all on the next video.